Your Amazon order might be a glitch, but your Islamic contract is a bond. You walk into a mobile shop, ask the price, nod your head, then walk out. You think the deal is still alive? It's not. You might be killing your own halal money without even knowing it. I'm serious. Most people do not know the exact second a deal becomes binding. They are walking into traps they don't even see. They think, I'm thinking about it is part of the contract. They think added to cart means the prize is theirs. Hanafi Fiqh doesn't work like that. Look at this situation. A guy once messages me on WhatsApp, says, "Bro, keep this phone for me. I'll confirm later." Then he disappears. When he comes back after 3 hours, he gets angry because the price changed. He thinks his earlier message locked the deal. In Hanafi Fiqh, that offer died the moment he closed the app and walked away from the screen. Majlis was over. Quduri says a sale is formed when there is ijab and qabul with past tense words. In Islam, we don't deal in maybe, we deal in done. Not future tense, not I will buy, not I might buy. The past tense creates a bond. I sold it, I bought it, that's the lock. Quduri says if one party gives a job, the other has the choice to accept or reject while still in the same majlis. Meaning, if one person makes the offer, you have a life window. Say yes, say no, but say it right now, bro. But even if you get the right words, there is still one move that kills the deal instantly. Quduri says if either person, the buyer or the seller, if either person stands up before the acceptance, the offer dies. Standing up means walking away. And in digital world, closing the app, switching apps, leaving the chat for 20 minutes is the same thing. Scholars say standing is a sign of walking away. And in today's world, leaving the screen is that sign. Don't think a simple nod saves you. Here are the traps. People think nodding is a contract. People think future tense is a contract. People think reserving an item is a contract. All wrong. No ijab, no qabul, no deal. Here's what you do. If you want to make a deal, lock it with past tense words. Type, I bought it. Say, I accept. Say, done. That's when the deal becomes halal and binding. If you want this kind of straight Hanafi fiqh made for your daily life today, hit subscribe and I'll show you how to trade clean.